Okay, so I'm Ralph Schroeder. I'm professor at the Oxford Internet Institute, and I run the master's degree in social science of the internet at Oxford. And I've been interested in big data for some time. We've had various projects relating to it, especially in relation to how it's going to change social science. Kind of the biggest and best conference on big data for policy, and there's so many conferences on this topic now, but this has been the most focused, if you like. The interesting thing is that these debates that we're having now, they've kind of been going now for a while about validity and replicability and data sources and whether we should use commercial data sources, how valid it is to use social media. And so we've kind of had a run up to these debates. This conference is solidifying them in terms of using data for policy. And then I think the next steps are going to be to kind of really look at very specific instances of where things have gone wrong, where things have gone right, and so on. And I think that's where we are at the moment. Oh, I think there are going to be many conferences in relation to this, but I think they'll also start being a little bit more differentiated. So there'll probably be conferences specifically about government policy, science policy, and policy that you can derive from social media data. So I think it will continue, and I think it will take lots of different forms. No, I'd be definitely interested that Cambridge should host it, or you can bring it over to our place, or whatever you like. I mean, I think one thing that's interesting is that so many policymakers are getting interested in this area, and I think we've just done a project for the Commission, and we're still in the middle of it actually. And I was really surprised at how many and varied the efforts are in this area. I mean, you can't really say it's all just statistical offices. It's many, many more things, looking at law, looking at environment, and so on. And I think we're still at the stage of getting a sense of what all these different efforts are all about.